In today's class, we'll be talking about the intransitive verbs. Okay, verbs that do not require an object or something to act upon, right? They are complete on their own. When you use them, you don't really need, something or someone. So what are those examples? For example, jumping. Okay, um, you don't say I jump something. Okay, you can say I jump on something, but you don't the action doesn't transfer to something or someone. Okay, similarly to sleep or to laugh, you don't laugh something. Okay, um you similarly to go, like when you say I went to India or I went to Paris, it's you're saying somewhere, not something or someone. So you put all of those verbs in the category of intransitive verbs. These are free actions. Okay. You can test that. Now, the first question people have is like, how do I know? Do I need to memorize these verbs? Um, it will come over time very easily, but there are certain tricks, and you saw them in Pingu Learns Hindi as well, the book that we have, which is you can use this mechanism. You can convert the verb into this question: what did they, and then the verb you're talking about. Okay. For example, you can say, what did they do? Okay. It makes sense. There is an answer to that. Whenever there's an answer to it, that means it's a transitive verb because it requires something or someone. When there is no answer to it, then it's an intransitive verb. Yeah. So you can see when you say she laughed, when you try to convert like what did she laugh, it doesn't make any sense, right? And that's why it's an intransitive verb. Similarly, when you say he slept and you try to say what did he sleep, it doesn't make any sense, right? It sounds weird. It's a broken sentence, and that's why it's an intransitive verb. Similarly, when you have, on the contrary, you have she called her mom, and you convert this into a question, whom did she call? You have an answer, her mom, right? And that's why it's a transitive verb. You need someone here basically, right? Similarly, when you say he ate a burger, what did he eat? It makes sense, the question, right? So it's a transitive verb.